guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Mirror Academy. I will be your course counselor, your guide throughout this particular course. Let me introduce you to myself. My name is Nikhil Devakar, and I've completed my education in BBA, majoring in finance. I have also completed a lot of financial certifications, including Bloomberg Market Concepts. Other than that, I have also completed internationally recognized financial modeling certifications. But that is enough about theoretical knowledge. I have given more than 1000 hours of quality screen time reading charts, analyzing the financial charts, just watching the price go up and down, trying to figure out chart patterns, etc., etc., etc. I have done everything. I have done a lot of mistakes in the market because when I entered the market, there were no one to help me out earlier. Okay. So I tried and tested different strategies, different stuff, reading it off the YouTube. So I had blown my account multiple times, blown up my capital account, and then gradually I started learning from my mistakes, and this is why then I'm also an associate trader slash coach for Mirror, and this is when I started being successful in the market. And then we came up with this course. We thought the mistakes that we have committed, that I have committed, we don't want any others to commit it, right? You can omit that part, because when you enter the market as a new person, then you are bound to make mistakes in the market. As I had blown my account, literally blown my account. So what we want from you, what was the agenda behind this course is to help you overcome these mistakes that everyone is going to make, which is normal. Right. So we want you to learn from our mistakes. That's why we came up together. We made this course especially for beginners, so that you can brush up your concepts, clear up your concepts, and start earning money, as I did. After I overcame my mistakes, I learned my mistakes. If you talk about my profits, I have given a return of about 60% capital. That's right, yeah, 50 to 60% return on investment. That is like huge, right? Okay, so basically this course is going to act like a rocket launch pad for your trading career, because it is going to provide you with basics, what all technical jargons are out there, what these huge finance people talk about, trying to scare us off, but that's not gonna happen, because we have this course for you. We're gonna help you with all the jargons out there. We're going to help you with how to start with trading, how to set up the account, what is technical analysis, what is fundamental analysis, how do you read the financial charts, what are candlesticks. We're also going to talk about anatomy of candlestick. What is it all about? What all information does a candlestick provide you? What are the popular chart patterns? Basically, we've got you covered. We're going to start from A and we're going to end till Z for financial trading. Other than this, we are also going to discuss with you some of the popular and most successful trading strategies that are out there, that are also used even today, have been used since years, decades maybe, and they are being used by most experts traders are out there. And now you will be introduced to that particular strategy as well. Other than this, basically, we're going to help you out there. If you do not understand at any point of time, at any particular chapter, I request you to pause the screen, rewind and watch it again. If even that does not help, please do not hesitate to ping us up, email us. We'll be providing you with the contact details, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can trust on our prompt response. That's a promise. So what are you waiting for? Hit the enroll button right now, and let's start earning money together. Okay, see you at the other end. Bye-bye.